Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about AssertJ, which is a Java library. It has various modules associated to it. The first one here we can see a core module which is used for making assertions on the JDK types, like we have here string, map, file, path, stream, etc. Then we have some Guava based module as well in case someone is dealing with the Guava types. Then we have a date time related module. Similarly, we have DB related module and swing related modules as well, right? Today we are going to focus on AssertJ core. So AssertJ core, first of all, like as we just discussed, it is a Java library and mainly for JDK types, right? So what is the most important benefit of using this library is like it will make your code more readable. It removes the boilerplate code, right? So these are the most important two benefits that I have observed of this library. So let me show you that with the help of quick demo. So in my IntelliJ I have set up a TestNG based project, and for AssertJ let me quickly show you the library. As we just discussed, it will be AssertJ core, right? So I have taken this library, and then apart from that, if I'll go to the test again, so here what I have created like a string variable here, right? And then I have applied several assertions on it. All of these are hard assertion. Like if execution fails here, like if this assertion is failing, then the execution will stop. Other assertions will not be triggered. Just like a normal TestNG assertions that we have, right? So how it is more beneficial? Here you can see we have different conditions applied. So all of these conditions are being checked. If all of these are passed, only then your test cases are getting passed. So how it is more readable and removing the boilerplate code? Here you can see a basic TestNG assertions. It look like this. You have to first make assert equal, then assert true for start with, similarly for end with, contains, does not contains. Then you have to write the error messages as well, right? But here there are like inbuilt error messages there. Of course, you can provide your own customized error message as well. But in case this assertion fails, start with 1, then it will straight away show you that this actual string does not start with the value that you have provided here, right? So that's how it is like more readable, provides you the error messages which are kind of inbuilt on basis of your argument type and the method type. The method type means the thing that you are trying to assert, right? And of course it has removed the boilerplate code as well. Otherwise, like you can see how much assertions and error message we are passing, and now we just need to pass this, right? So now here we have compared the string. And the good thing about AssertJ is that it kind of provides the methods on basis of what is the data type of your actual. So let me show you. There are several other methods which are for string only. Like here you can see does not contain any white space, starts with, ends with ignoring case, right? So all of these are like self understandable. Okay. So now this is for string. Similarly, if you want to see it for int, how we can, like here I have created one more test method. Here we have integer, and now you can see the data, the methods has changed. Is equal to is the common one. Of course, this is required for every assertion, right? But here you can see we have is positive, is greater than, is less than. So these all these methods now are in respect of integer. Like here you have is between, you can specify the range here, right? And then we have here we have on the basis of collections, right? In case you have any collection, you can use on, you can assert on basis of whether it is empty, whether it has what is the size, contains, what is if there is any element on which you want to assert whether your actual list contains this element or not. Then does not contain, contains exactly in any order, right? And then there will be several others as well. Hash size greater than, hash size less than, right? So this kind of information you can find in the methods by going through the methods that we have in AssertJ. And then, like, if you want to assert on the basis of object, right? So I have created one basic pojo here, and here we have a object. So it also provide methods like extracting. So in case you have provided a object here and it has several attributes, you can extract a particular attribute of that object, and then you can have assertion on that. Isn't that cool, right? So consider you have complex objects, so it can be really helpful for making assertion with the help of AssertJ on those type of objects as well. Then you have, like, here we have a list of object. So for a list of object as well, here you can see I have created a list of object. Same thing, I have extracted the get name from the from the object. Like here we have person object. So each of these object within this actual will be checked on basis of the assertion that we have applied here. So here we have applied contains exactly in any order, right? So this will pass. So now let me show you the error message. As of now I haven't passed any error message here, but let us quickly see what can be the error message. So what I'll do here is, for example, for this assertion I say, now just let me trigger the test. There will be more than one error because I have one more method here. So what I will do, as soon as the project will be built, I'll execute this one separately to show you the error message for this particular case, right? So let me trigger this. Yeah, so here you can see assertion error expecting actual to contains exactly in any order, right? So as per the assertion that we have provided, it has give us the error message which is self-explanatory. We were expecting this actual to contain this, and also it is telling us that it cannot find the following element, right? You can see how much information it is providing, and we haven't provided any custom message here, right? But just in case you want to provide any custom message, you have that option as well. Like you can use as here, right? And you can provide your custom message, and then this message will be printed as the message. Or you also have one more, which is, yeah, overriding existing error message. So you can, so this will kind of override the message related to your error completely, right? And this as, it will be added as one extra line. So let us quickly see the difference between both of these, so it will be more clear. I will just copy this one. I'll make this test custom error message 2 and 1. I can here mention something like test Okay, right. So if I will execute this as related one, here we have this information. And the second one, okay. So second one, basically it completely removed other assertion, and like here you could see what was expected and uh, what you actually got, right? And that then you had this as an extra message. But in the second one where we are saying overriding error message, so every part of that error message will be replaced with this thing that we have mentioned here, right? So name is also suggesting the same thing, overriding the error message. Right, so that's all. That was a short demo for AssertJ, and in the future video we will be seeing more advanced concept about AssertJ core, right? So hope you liking the content that I'm making. Please do like, share, and do subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.